Checkpoint 3. The figure here shows three arrangements of two protons. Rank the arrangements according to the net electric potential produced at point P by the proton greatest first. So in this question, we have to give the answer for net electric potential for these three situations. So let's see the first situation. Here the two red colored dots represent the protons. And we have to find what is the electric potential at point P by these two protons. So let's just give the number. This is the first proton, this is the second proton. And the first proton to the point P is small d. And then the second proton to the point P, the distance is caps d. And likewise here, we have two protons. And this proton, let's just give the number as 1. And I'm going to give the number as 2. And here I'm going to give this as number 1 and number 2. So we have these three situations. So if you want to find the net electric potential, as we already studied from the theory, the electric potential V, which is equal to K Q over R. So you have to apply this rule for each proton. So let's consider the first diagram. So if you have two protons, it's just adding the potential for each proton. So let's apply the potential for the first proton, that is nothing but this one. So here V net, which is equal to K Q over D, because here both are protons, plus, so the distance for this one is small d, and then I'm going to apply this rule for this one. So K Q over caps D. So this is the answer for the first situation. And now we have to get the answer for the second situation. From this proton to this point P, V net, which is equal to K Q over caps D, plus for this proton, which is K Q over small d. And then for the third situation, the net potential, which is equal to, for this proton, this distance is d, so we can write K Q over small d, plus, and for this proton the distance is caps d, so K Q over caps d. Now we got the answer for net electric potential for these three situations. Now we have to answer the greatest first. If you see these three answers, all these three answers are exactly look similar. So here there is no greatest, all are having the same value. So we can give the answer situation A, which is equal to B, which is equal to C. So this is the answer for this question. That's it. Thank you.